Hi, this is Mounika Urk22Cs1059. Now in this video, I'll be explaining about how to build a small AI-powered medical assistant using Radio for the UI and Olama as a local LLM. We'll keep a simple knowledge base, check for emergencies, call Olama for unknown symptoms, and export a PDF report. And first, we would import the modules like radio, request, datetime, and FPDF. Then here this API calls the Olama HTTP API on localhost. The script uses model name and now knowledge base. We keep a small rule based knowledge base for common conditions. Each entry has keywords and advice and a severity label. We also list emergency phrases that should immediately trigger an urgent recommendation. Conservation memory stores all interactions for a PDF report. Then knowledge check. This function scans the user's symptom text and returns a matching KB entry. If any keyword is found, we lowercase the input for case insensitive matching. Then Olama API call. If the rule based KB can't answer, we send the symptoms to the Olama endpoint as a JSON payload. The prompt asks the model to give causes, home care tips, when to see a doctor, and to include a disclaimer. We handle HTTP errors and connections exceptions gracefully. Next, the main assistant logic is this function tells the decision flow, emergency detection first, then knowledge based result, otherwise fall back to the LLM. We also timestamp and store each interaction in conversation memory for later export. Then the exporting the PDF report. This helper builds a simple PDF using FPDF and writes all entries from conservation memory. The function returns the generated file path so we can provide it for the download in the UI. The last is the Gradio UI. We build this a simple Gradio interface, a text box for symptoms, and two buttons and non-editable text for the assistant's reply. One to analyze and one to export the PDF. The two buttons, one is to analyze and one is to export the PDF. And then finally demo.launch start the app locally. And we'll run this file as python app.py. And when we follow the link, so here you can enter symptoms like headache, and when you click on this button analyze symptoms, the assistant will give the response about your advice or severity. It may be a migraine, like this type of response. And when you click on the export health report, it will give the report. Here it will generate PDF. Thank you.